Sanibonani bafethu. Ninjani yaphela? Ngicela ngo 5:30. 5:30 namhlanje, 5:30 ukuya ku7 o'clock. Ungene lapha ku Facebook. Ezomphakathi newspaper. Live. Uzongena lapha ku Facebook, ungene ku Ezomphakathi newspaper. Lizobe li live. Kuzobe kune political debate eMkhondo eWard 14. Kuzobe kunama councillor candidates, ama political party angenele ukhetho ku Ward 14 njoba kuzoba nama by elections nge17 eMkhondo. Bazobe besho ko councillor candidate be ANC, MK Party, EFF neAIMSA. Bazobe bekhona ngoba yiba bazobe bekhona lapha na be represent ama political party abo besho ukuthi yini esingayilindela kubo uma sebangama councillor seWard 14 njoba kubheka okhethe nje nge14 sorry nge17 December. Ngena ke ku Ezomphakathi newspaper ku Facebook uzozwa ukuthi kuzobe kwenzakalani lapha. Siyabonga kakhulu sesiyodibana khona. Thank you.